step number 1 is to just get started. So let's go. Step number 2, set your goal. First steps first. What is your ultimate goal? Write at the top of your page the word goal. Now let's figure out what your goal for your web series really is. Are you a writer and want to show that you can write for TV? Then your goal is to use your web series as a produced writing sample to help you pitch to broadcast networks. Are you an actor and want to showcase your talents? Then your goal is to produce a web series with you as the star in as many diverse situations as you can figure out to prove how versatile you are. Maybe you're an artist or musician and want to find a gallery, manager, record label, or new clients. In this case, your goal is based on the reason you choose for the series. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, you have many reasons to create a web series. Number 1, you want to promote your products. Number 2, you want to build your brand and increase your authority. Number 3, you want to showcase different aspects of your business, employees, or products. No matter which reason you choose, your goal is to increase customer awareness, build authority, and promote your brand to ultimately increase sales and gain new customers. The beauty of creating a web series is that you can tell any kind of story, promote any kind of product, or teach any subject. The sky's the limit. If you want to do a sci-fi alien comedic soap opera drama, just do it. But think about why you want to create a web series, the goal of your series, and how you can reach that goal down the line. Now, download the goal worksheet and write as many goals as you can think of. You don't have to choose the first one you write down. You might be surprised at what you come up with. Give yourself a chance to think of a goal that will make you look forward to working on your web series and completing your pilot and season 1. Download the worksheet now.